So guys, in my previous session I had explained about draft, direct, combine and delete phase. Today I am going to explain about sheet metal. So this is a completely new feature and it's completely different to part design. So what is sheet metal? Sheet metal is, you can call a metal up to thickness 6.35 mm. Sheet metal starting is 0.15 to 6.35 mm. Okay, we can call it as sheet metal. So here you can take new metric. Here see, sheet metal option is there. Sheet metal and create. So here are some windows are there, some face, counter flange, so many windows. But before proceeding to the further, you have to do setting of the sheet metal. Here is option sheet metal default. You have to do the setting. Sheet metal rule default mm. Here material, you can define material or whatever material as per your requirement you can define here. Unfold rule factor, K factor and bend compensation. These are two are calculation. These are calculation formula is there. I will explain. So while doing sheet metal, I will explain about this K factor and bend compensation. So and here also you can change the thickness. Here it's already given 0.5, so we can give 2 mm. So here all the things are, then go to apply, then close this one. So now go to 2D sketch. Here you can take any plane, take a rectangle, dimension, then finish the sketch. See, in our part modeling we are using extrude. So here this is called face. So you can select this one. Here is so many option is there, unfold option, bend option. I will explain one by one, but for now only you just see this one. See here thickness, it will come automatic default whatever we have mentioned here. So now press OK. Here unfold option is there, bend option is there. So I will explain one by one because it's so large chapter. I will explain one by one. Then press OK. So this is our sheet metal. See, if you check the thickness, you will find just to this. Two mm. See, because we have set there 2 mm. That's it. So this is the normal feature of the sheet metal. Mostly used sheet metal feature is flange. So here you can select the flange, select the edge. If you require bending from this edge, select the edge. See, selected. Then height, extend, distance. Distance you have to give 10 mm. See this one. Then here flange angle. What is the angle? This angle. See, here to here this angle. 90. I will change it to 45. See this one, like this. So bend radius. According to this, already one formula is there. So as per this one, that the formula, it will take automatically 2 mm. What is the sheet metal thickness? The same thickness will take the bend radius. If the sheet metal thickness was 0.5, and bend radius also 0.5. So here another 3 options are there. Bend for intersection of the two outer face. Here the option is in the intersection of the two inner face. See, you can see the changes here. So here this one is bend position, inside of bend face extend, then bend from the adjacent faces. So this one, these 3 options are there. So we'll select another edges. We can put this one inside, or we can put this outside also. Now we press OK. See how the bend forms. So this is the basic of bending, normal bending. So when I will explain about this critical profiles, I will explain the K factor, how to calculate the K factor, how to calculate the bending angle, bending length, everything I will explain. So guys, for today this is enough. Thank you and goodbye.